In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google Chrome to Taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Pinning Chrome to your taskbar makes it available with a single click every time you start your computer. No more hunting through menus or desktop icons. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, open Google Chrome. Launch it the same way you normally do. As soon as Chrome is running, look to the strip along the bottom of your screen, the taskbar. This is where your Start button lives, along with any apps you currently have open. You should see the Chrome icon appear there while the browser is running. Now, move your mouse to that Chrome icon in the taskbar and right-click it. A small menu will pop up with a few options. Right-click just means clicking with the secondary mouse button, usually on the right side. If you're on a laptop touchpad, it's the same as a two-finger click. In the menu that appears, click on Pin to Taskbar. That's the key action. The moment you do this, Windows tells your computer to keep Chrome's icon on the taskbar permanently. A quick way to confirm it worked is to right-click the icon again. You'll now see the option change to Unpin from taskbar. That simply means it's successfully pinned. From now on, even if you close the browser, the Chrome icon will stay right there at the bottom of your screen, ready whenever you are. This makes it easy to get back online with a single click without searching. You can also tidy up your taskbar, so Chrome sits exactly where you want it. Click and hold the Chrome icon on the taskbar, then drag it left or right. You'll notice other icons slide aside to make room. Drop it in your favorite spot. Many people like it next to the Start button, so it's always within easy reach. And that's really all there is to it. Open Chrome so the icon appears, right-click the icon on the taskbar, choose Pin to Taskbar, and if you like, drag it into your perfect position. From this point on, one click and you're in. Your browser is now pinned. If you ever change your mind, remember that same right-click menu gives you the option to unpin it. But for most of us, keeping Chrome pinned saves time every day. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the faster, simpler way to launch your browser on Windows 10.